See, people are making big money on Fiverr. Yes, this guy right here has done over $500 and he's just a beginner. He just got started and he's earning this much for himself. And it is even much more easier because with AI, you don't really need to have any skill, have any capital. Just jump on Fiverr and do these things and you can actually start making money for yourself. Fiverr actually still remains one of the biggest platforms for freelancers who are looking to start earning money online. In this video today, guys, I'm going to share with you guys 5 AI side hustles you can start selling on Fiverr today. Now, before now, I've actually shared a couple of side hustles you can actually get started with on Fiverr, but now we are going to be leveraging on AI. So AI is actually the next big thing, and we are looking for, okay, what are those opportunities that I can actually do on Fiverr with AI that would help me to rank my gigs faster and also help me make money. The major thing here is, since AI is still a blue ocean, there are opportunities for you to actually start making money when you start selling gigs around AI in the Fiverr space. Now, this is why this video is very important, because you actually have to listen to everything I'm going to say to the very end. There are going to be 5 side hustles. Pick one that actually you can work for you, get ahead on Fiverr, and start selling it. You can even sell the 5 if you have the 5 skills, right? So make sure you actually watch this video to the very end and you can start making money for yourself. Hi guys, it's Frank Emmanuel here, and here on my channel I share with you guys those strategies that would help you to start up and scale your own online business. And here I'm going to share with you guys 5 online side hustles around AI that you can start selling on Fiverr today that will start making you money. I have a couple of students who have already started these particular processes and they are making money for themselves, a lot of them, and I actually want you to actually start earning money. So you should actually make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you can start getting similar results like this one. Now, without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the very first one, and that is rewriting and editing AI content. Now, we have AI today and everybody's using AI. Let's take, for example, ChatGPT. Every creator is using ChatGPT, but guess what? ChatGPT is not 100% correct. And because it is not 100% correct, there is the need for somebody who can actually review, rewrite, and even edit this particular content. And this is exactly where you get to see people like you. So when you come over to Fiverr like now, you can actually see that there are already people that are already posting these gigs. But then, guys, it is still a very blue ocean, and you can actually get to create gigs around this particular niche, and you can get to, make money for yourself by selling this. Now, there are 2 simple tools that you can basically use to get started with rewriting and editing this content in case you even want to save more time. You still use AI to save your time and make money. One, you can use Quillbot. Quillbot is a paraphraser. Basically, what it does is you have a content that's fully written by AI. You can paraphrase all of the content and turn all of the sentences, all of the grammar, and make it something different in a way that, it doesn't look alike with the previous content you already had that was AI generated. Okay? And once you're done with this, Quillbot also has what we call the plagiarism checker, where you can even check for plagiarism to see if this content is being copied. And at the same time, it also has what we call a grammar checker. So if you're already feeling like, oh, you want to check the grammar of this particular content and make sure that it is grammatically correct from the start to finish, Quillbot is one single tool that would help you to, get all of these features at the same time, and you can do all of these jobs yourself. Okay, so there is no long talks, there is no wasting time. AI is basically going to help you to achieve all of these processes. All you need to do is to go ahead and upload this particular gig on Fiverr, and you can actually start making money for yourself. Now, before I proceed, I must say that I've actually done a video in the past where I showed you guys how to actually get to upload your gigs on Fiverr. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can actually create your account, upload your gigs on Fiverr, and you are really good to go. Okay, so you actually want to go see that video right here. I'm going to leave the video link in the description of this particular content so that you can also open the link and access that particular guide that would help you to upload gigs on Fiverr. Now we're going to be moving over to the second gig here, and that is copywriting. You see, everybody owns a business. They are business owners. And what copywriting basically says is we are going to write content that help you to sell. So if anybody has a product or a service that he or she is selling in his business, then you as a copywriter is going to be helping that person position his content in a way that is going to help him bring more clients and customers that will buy his product or service. Okay, and this is exactly where it gets very beautiful, because we already now understand who our audience is, who are going to be reaching out to, who are going to be selling our services to. The next thing is, how do we get to write these copies? Okay, so let's take, for example, somebody's really selling shoes and he wants to really put up a copy that will actually attract more people that will buy his shoes. We can actually go over to this website called copy.ai. Okay, We have copy.ai here. You can see with copy.ai, you can actually write blogs 10x faster. You can write high converting posts and also write engaging emails. So whether it's a post, whether it's a Facebook ad copy, a Google ad copy, or what have you, you can actually get them all on copy.ai, including engaging emails and a couple of other features. So you can actually see here they do from email marketing to blog content to social media content to translations and a couple of other features that are available on this particular website. At the same time, when you go over to Fiverr and you go and type in copywriting, you are going to see that there are people that are doing this, right? They're charging as much as 10 euros. You can see here 10 euros, 10 euros, 200 euros just to get this done for different business owners. And this is an opportunity for you to be able to, start making money from this particular platform. Remember, like I said earlier, I have a video. Make sure to watch that video because you're going to be getting more insights and tips on how to position your gig and get more sales for yourself. Now, the third one here is editing videos using AI. Yes, you actually want to start editing videos using AI, and that is one of the gigs that are currently selling on Fiverr right now. And I'm going to show you because I love to experiment and show people practically how things work. Okay, so when we say editing videos using AI, you can see that several people here that are doing very similar thing, editing videos using AI. And there is one single tool you can basically use to achieve this, right? We're able to edit videos using AI. So you can see here, there's no need to be doing a lot of professional stuffs. You can easily just use AI to get things done. And this is the website. We go over to the website right here, Descript. So when you search for Descript and you click on Descript, you're going to basically see, it says here, it's an all-in-one editor. And inside of here, there is a new way to make videos and podcasts a good way. It's a simple and powerful and fun way to edit. So you can see in this process, you can fully edit a video with the power of AI, and you are going to be able to, close on more deals for yourself and make so much money online. Okay. Now, looking at all of the features they have here, from video editing to podcasting, to screen recording, to publishing, to clip creation, to transcription, whichever of this you want, they have all of the features you are looking for. But then let's focus on video editing. We can click on it, and then you can see that they have an editing panel right here. And on the editing panel, they are going to be able to use the scripts, right? After transcribing the script of the video to edit the video, take away a series of airspaces and lock up content in a way that it is visually appealing, it is audio wise appealing, and the audience of your client is going to be able to relate and get more traction on those videos, right? Descript is that particular tool. Now, the fourth one here is managing social media accounts. See, we have a lot of business owners currently online today, and they need people who are going to be managing their social media accounts for them. And I've always said this, there is always an opportunity for anybody to make money online. Just know what you have to do and you're going to be making money for yourself. The tool we're going to be looking at here would help us to create content that will actually serve as our social media content, and at the same time, we can actually proceed to use other tools that will create designs and we can publish on social media platforms. Thereby, we already have a full social media calendar or a content map for any business we are helping to manage their social media accounts. Now, let's go over to this tool right here called Cohesive, right? We have cohesive.so, and this is a magical content with the most powerful AI editor. Okay, and right in here you can see you can create script for YouTube videos, create blog generator, do your Instagram captions, you can do scripts for TikTok videos, Facebook posts, story generators, and a whole lot of other features. Now, the beautiful thing here is that this particular website has a very forever free plan, and you can get started with that particular plan and start selling yourself. You can proceed to go ahead and create content using this particular website right now, and you can proceed to the next website, which is Canva. So let's say we have a couple of contents we have created. You can proceed to Canva. Canva basically will help you to create series of designs. Okay. Canva will basically help you to create a series of designs. And with the fact that Canva already has a series of templates, it is even much more easier because you don't need to do anything anymore. Just use those templates, create designs for social media, push them up to social media, and you can get paid as much as 200k, 300k on a monthly basis to manage these social media accounts for different businesses. Okay, now this is the fourth way you can make money on Fiverr. And now the fifth one right here is writing SEO blog content. right? Writing SEO blog content. Let's go over to Fiverr right now, and I would show you that this is one of the hottest gigs selling on Fiverr. So when I put in SEO content, you are going to see that there are several people that are selling SEO content, SEO content, SEO content, SEO content, right? And you can also sell the same thing and make money for yourself right on this particular space. And all you need to do is to still go over to this AI tool that is free for you to get started with. Yes, this is it right here. So it says here, this is a full blog generator, right? And in here, you can actually, create SEO friendly blog articles, right? So I can actually click on it right now, and I can see that with all of this, you're able to create, content that is optimized based on the H2s. There's the headers, the images, add the alt text, be clear and concise, having a clear and concise messaging, and also using media. This particular tool, cohesive.so, would help you to generate this particular content you need that is SEO optimized. Now, all you want to basically do afterwards is to now proceed to add your own tips based on what you know about SEO content. And you can also further optimize your content in order to fall in line with what can actually rank for what your client is looking out for, and you are good to go. Now, these 5 gigs I've shared with you right here are hot selling right now, and there are gigs you can actually do with AI, right? AI is going to help you, and if you can actually even jump on the forever free plan of some of these AI tools, that means you don't even have to pay anything, and then you are making money for yourself. You can scale your income to over $2,000, $5,000 on a monthly basis simply from using Fiverr and getting gigs. In my next video, guys, I'm going to share with you guys how you can rank those gigs you are putting up on Fiverr. And the major reason is you do not want to stay in the competition of thousands of people who are posting gig like yourself. So it's important to know how to rank that particular gig on Fiverr so they can actually get more people that actually buy those gigs and you make more money for yourself. Make sure to actually stick right here on this channel, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you are notified when I release that particular video. At the same time, share with me your ideas, your suggestions, your comments in the comment section below. I will reply every one of them. Do not fail to join my WhatsApp community because we're going to be having more discussions around this that will help you to scale in your online space. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this particular video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.